ओके, टुडेज टॉपिक इज पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड। सबसे पहले इसकी शेप की बात कर लेते हैं। इट इज़ पी शेप्ड small gland, and it is very important gland in our body because it is also known as master gland, because its secretion is controlling the functioning of other endocrine gland. जो भी ये secretion release करेगी in the form of hormone, those hormones can control the functioning of other endocrine glands, right? And it is attached to the hypothalamus with a stalk like structure. Now, there are three main components, or we can say the parts of pituitary gland. First is anterior, second is posterior, and third one is middle lobe of pituitary. All the three components of the pituitary gland are releasing some hormones, right? Okay, now one by one we can learn about all the hormones which are released by anterior, posterior, and middle lobe of pituitary. So first of all, I am starting with the anterior lobe of pituitary. So the first hormone which you can see over the screen is thyroid stimulating hormone. Okay, this hormone is released by the anterior lobe of pituitary, and its target organ is thyroid gland, right? It is controlling the thyroid gland, the functioning of the thyroid gland, right? And later on, the thyroid gland, after stimulation, is releasing the hormone thyroxine. Now, the second hormone is adrenocorticotropic hormone, which is also known as ACTH. Its target organ is adrenal cortex, and you know that adrenal cortex is releasing corticoids, which are also known as steroid hormones, right? So, ACTH is controlling the structure as well as the function of the adrenal cortex. Now, moving to the third hormone, which is known as FSH or follicular stimulating hormone. This hormone is controlling the spermatogenesis in males, and in case of females, it is helpful in the maturation of giraffine follicle, which is later on helpful in the production of estrogen hormone, which are responsible for the development of secondary sexual characters. Next hormone is luteinizing hormone, which is also known as LH. It stimulates the process of ovulation, and later on there will be formation of corpus luteum. After the ovulation process, in the empty giraffine follicle, there is a formation of yellow mass, which is known as corpus luteum. This corpus luteum is acting like an endocrine gland and helpful in the release of hormone, which is known as progesterone. In the case of males, this hormone is responsible for the stimulation of Leydig cells, which later on will release one hormone known as testosterone, or testosterone is helpful in the formation of secondary sexual characters in case of males.